Yo, what's up everyone? It's Mark with M2M Detail, and today we're going to be tinting the front two windows on this 2020 Highlander. So we will be doing bottom load. So we will be popping these off, taking this off, taking off the bolt in there. So just want to do a quick video for you guys how I install some window tint. So if you guys want some window tint, check our website at m2mdetail.com. Pre-cut window tint. We'll be selling tint pre-cut for your vehicle, and you can buy it, install it at the house. So first things first, we're gonna have to get these popped off, get these stickers off, prep it, install the tint, and we'll be done. So let's get to it. So if you guys don't know, Snap-on, they make these cool little things right here. Just pop in, you just pull them out like that. So you can see how it's a hook. You're gonna put it in there, get it in there, and then just gently pull it out, guys, just like that. Oh, pop back, get in there, boom, one clip, and let's see how this looks. There we go. This one's one of the easier ones, guys. You want to get out of the window area. There we go. That will work. Throw that up there. Now we're just gonna pop this up, just like so. Grab the gasket, get it out of that gasket area, slide it out, put that back, make sure these are all still in place, and we'll leave it like that. Now, just want to get any leftover residue of the sticker, a little soap, and we will just be hitting that down. Our little window tint pad, a little scrub pad, so get all the way down. Get that top edge nice. Try not to get too much on the top edge to go over. Just gonna flush it to the back. And if you guys wondering what type of towel we're using, is Home Depot's HDX, and they have like really low lint, guys. Really enjoy it. Got our Concord, get down this gasket, all the way down the bottom, and right there. So, keep this door kind of as clean as possible. Get that edge real nice right there. And let's get it. Grab this blade, and cut around the tent. Just like that. There we go. Grab this, move it up a tiny bit, guys. Grab our blade. Tilt the front down. There we go. Wet your hand a little bit. And because we're doing bottom load, we're able just to pull it all off. Unlike we did a two-step, we went and pull all the film off. There we go. And just gonna grab this front edge right here. Pick up the back side like that. And now we got total control of the film, guys. So left hand's a little sticky. Get that out of the way and place that one like so. A little too sticky. You want to work it down. Working it down. Working it down. Want to get that front edge in. Get this back edge in like that. See how we're not touching anything? Move that front edge in a little bit. And slide down your back side. Go a little bit more forward. Be sure you're gonna see it keep getting caught sometimes. Just wanna continue that top edge just like that. Pull that tin up like that. And now we're just gonna hold it for a minute. All right, now we want to check our outside. Make sure the window tint is behind this, which it is, so we look good. We're gonna let that dry for a minute because last time I tinted a car, we used ceramic soap. Ceramic tint. So the soap is pretty intense right now, so it's gonna have a lot of slip solution. Could probably water it down, but it's all good. Clean this one more time, just like that. Stack edge in, all the way across, and get that in like that. Soap it down good. There we go. Let's go grab our tint. Get this backside in. Bam, there we go. Little air pocket right there, guys. Get rid of it. Check your top edge. Do a couple sprays. Do our Blue Max. We want to hold the tint and squeegee back. So the tint did move a tiny bit on that, so we had to reposition it. Not a big deal. Now we're just gonna hit our top edge. Make sure nothing's hanging over. There we go. And that. So now we're gonna grab our orange hard card, tri-edge, lube it up. Got some rubber right there, so we won't be scratching the tint, guys. There we go. Nice. So hit this one more time. Just like that. Go. Now let's give it a quick wipe down before we move it up. Make sure we didn't miss anything. There we go. Wipe this down real quick, guys. Just want to keep it clean. That's it. And pour our door panel back. And we will just hit it straight down. There we go. Grab our tri-edge. There we go. All right, guys. So this window is done. Give it a quick little once over. just gonna heat down that bottom edge real quick just before we put the gaskets in. Make sure there's no moisture down there. You can see it dissipate. See, we got a little finger right there. Not a big deal. So let's get that finger out of the way. We're gonna be using our peach card. And let me see if I can show you guys it. Hopefully you can see it right there. And she's gone. So, here we go. Double check for insurance. Give it some heat again. Sure we ain't got no fingers anywhere. We don't. And it's looking good. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. Like I said, SolarGuard 28%. Supreme film. So you have the factory tint in the back, you have a 28 up here. Looks very good, guys. In sunlight they look almost identical. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comments. And as always, Mark out.